can we solve this one? I have 3 the cos of 2 theta minus 14, and this is equated to 1.5. So now we need to do what? We need to solve for theta. Remember, the aim is to isolate the cos of the angle on one side. So to do that, I'll divide both sides by 3 first. Then this side, the 3 cancels. We are left with the cos of that angle, 2 theta minus 14 degrees, which is equated to 1.5 over 3. So now this is what I have, but remember the 1.5 over 3, I can write it as a decimal form. So this will be 2 theta minus 14 degrees. This is equals to 1.5 over 3, that gives me 0.5. Right. So now what you're going to do, this is, you just have to leave the angle for now. Whatever that you have inside the bracket, you're going to leave it, or you can just let that to be theta and say this is the cos of theta. It equals to okay, let's not say theta, because if we say theta, someone might be confused. Let's let whatever that is inside the brackets, let's let it maybe x, and say the cos of x is equal to 0.5. So now the aim is to solve for what? For x. Remember, how do we solve for x? On your calculator, shift, then you're going to say the cos, then you put 0.5, shift, you punch shift, then you say cos 0.5. So you'll get that your x is equals to, when you put that on the calculator, you get x to be 60 degrees. Right. So now remember, x is, what is x equals to? X is 2 theta minus 14. So where does x, I can put 2 theta minus 14 degrees. This is equated to 60. Now the aim is to solve for theta. The question said solve for theta. So if we can go back up, solve for theta in the following. Right. So to solve for theta, now I need to take the 14 to the other side, and the sign will change. What do we have when we take it to the other side? So we can write this and say 2 theta minus 14, it's equals to 60 degrees. The 14 goes to the other side to be positive. This is 2 theta, it's equals to 60 degrees. We add 14 degrees, and this gives us 74. Divide both sides by 2 to make theta subject of the formula. So when you say 74 divided by 2, that's 37. And 37, ladies and gents, that's your final answer. And that's it for this problem. This is how you isolate theta.